do, YouTube? It's your boy Smooth, and I'm back with another video. This is like a impromptu video. I'm gonna go see if my uncle at the house, and we're gonna show him this whip right here. So I'm about to change the camera around so y'all can see what I see. Hey, boom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put the head down. We put the head down. Damn. All right, let me calm down. 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 Can y'all hear them? Can y'all hear the little bat pops and shit? Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Woo. This is like crazy, bro. It's a boat right here. Woo. Nah, this is dope. Let y'all get the view of around it, and then that's gonna be it for this video.
will tell you everything they can and try to do everything in their power to knock down your dreams and knock you off your game, but fuck the outside opinion. Fuck the people that are telling you that you're not gonna be nobody, you can't do nothing. If you want that shit for yourself, like I always tell y'all, lock in, maximize your potential, and understanding that dream you having, that idea that you got, if you manifest that shit and put the work behind it, it don't gotta be a dream. It don't just gotta be a thought of your head. That shit could be your reality. It was times when I used to dream of a penthouse when I was sleeping on my grandma's couch. I used to dream of driving a car that cost more than $100K when I was driving a car that cost $1,000. You know what I'm saying? But I say all that just to say, like, I never gave up, and when I was in those positions, I never let it discourage me, and I also never let it break me. That shit made me as a person. You know what I'm saying? The situations and the struggles that you're going through that shit right now for a reason. If you ain't have no obstacles on the way to the finish line, would you really enjoy it as much when you finally got your trophy? If you ain't go through no obstacles on the way to the end of this road, like, when you finally get to your destination, like, would you appreciate it as much? Probably not. So respect your process and understand that all this shit that you're going through, everything that happens in your life, it happened for a reason.